Hey guys, it's November 24th, 11 p.m. It's raining a little bit here, so I will see if I can try and show you this without getting my phone destroyed. Just little bit rain today, not so much, but yeah, yeah, that's what it is. We have water coming in a steady stream from uphill through the by the house here and going down. Only from our house here it's quite a lot. The rain when it comes is heavy and quick and hard. Not like back in Sweden when it's rain all day and little bit, but here it comes like yeah, I don't know how to describe it, but it's like a river here. And today, yeah, it's been crazy weather today. So, yeah, it's my jacket you see a little bit every time. I thought I'd just show you the road down here also, where we woke up. It's not so slippery when it's this wet because the topsoil is flushed away all the time. So yeah, you see my sign, my munuk, a chicken for sale. So yeah, it is what it is here in the Philippines when it's rain. So yeah, you guys have a good one. I will try to keep dry. Time to go paint the new house on the inside. That is not the outside. Too wet today. Okay, bye bye.